Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alif Najmi bin Marzian, and I'm from Group 7, which is get food manufacturing. And today I would like to present about sausage manufacturing process. Sausage manufacturing processing, factories take a step to eliminate the potential of microbiological, chemical, physical contamination in order to make a food safe for ingestion. As a result, food processing facilities brings a new dimension of the usual layout design dilemma. In production design, there are three things that are important in production design. First, marketing factor. Second, technical factor. And third is financial factors. So this is our old layout for sausage manufacturing, and the process is from defrost raw material, boning injector, mix raw material with spice, stuffing and sealing, pre-cook, tumbling, packaging, and lastly storage. The feasibility analysis is divided into several stages, each of which entails preparing and examining various aspects of the plan design in order to make an informed choice. As a result, the feasibility study may be viewed as a sequence of action that culminates in the creation of a set of study, eliminate and papers that allow for discussion making, and the step of identification, preliminary selection, analysis, and view of choice are all significant. Next, machine that involved. There are several machines that involved in sausage production. First, cutting machine. Second, chicken mincer. Third, boiling cutting machine. Next, chicken mixer. Fifth, sausage filling machine, tiring wire machine, steamer, and vacuum packing machine. And that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAHMI, and I will be presenting about the new layout and the whole flow process. As we know, a good flow pattern is important for the manufacturing, whether the flow pattern is interrupted or uninterrupted, the flow pattern is short or long, and so on. So the main problem for the original layout is the original layout take a huge amount of travel distance from the first process to the last process. So to solve this problem, some arrangement has been done to the process department. So it can minimize the travel distance of the material. For this slide, it shows the difference between the original layout and the new layout. For the original layout, the process starts from freezer and then the pumping room, then the mixing room, tumbling room, stuffing room, oven room, freezer for the post-cook, and the last one is packaging room. The total distance from the starting process to the last process took a huge amount of traveling distance, that is 830 feet. Then let's take a look to the new layout. The process is the same as the original layout, that is from the freezer to the packaging room. But after the arrangement has been done, that is the location of the freezer from the top of the layout to the bottom of the layout near the oven room and the packaging room. So after adding all the traveling distance, we get a total of 510 feet. So the new layout has a faster traveling distance than the original layout.
A very good morning to doctors and all my friends. I'm JIAN. Today I'm going to share about some improvement for our new design layout. Firstly is about quality check department. This department is being added to our new design layout before shipping or warehouse operations. An office is being added for the QC and QA officials for quality check. The aidings for these departments help in monitoring customer specifications level and observes production phase at various levels. Next is Management Department's office. The four primary functions for managers are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. By using the four functions, managers work to increase the efficiencies and effectiveness of their employees, process, projects, and organizations as a whole. So we can see that the management speed address at the here, and then this one is for the quality check department. Thirdly is warehouse fridges. Safe storage can protect meat against qualities and flavor loss as well as bacterial growth. Hence, the volume for the fridges or for keeping the raw materials of chicken sausage and ready stock is being increased to prevent the nutrition values and keep the product from spoiling. So we can see that this is the freezer sausage rooms and then this is a freezer speed for shippings. Furthermore, we increased two conveyors in the line productions which connects the pumping rooms and ovens room and between the oven room to the ready stock freezers. Conveyor helps save time by allowing materials to be moved between multiple levels quickly. Materials can move in different directions, which is useful when moving them between overseas ends of a processing plant. On the other hand, conveyor give its benefits in the warehouse to transfer ready product chicken sausage from the oven rooms to the ready stock freezers in larger quantity. So we can see that we added two conveyors between two departments. That's all for me for the improvement. Thank you.
Hi, my name is N.SIVASANGARAN. Today, I would like to present about the results. Based on our improvement that are done in our facility layout, the new design is designed by AutoCAD software. The dimension of the new design is 3,700 times 3,000 meters square. Based on the new design, there are 6 different departments processing on the sources. All the process is done manually to transfer the raw material from one station to another station. Based on the production, it might get slower. To overcome this, the layout has been improvised by adding some new features. By first, we got add the conveyor. The conveyor system is an equipment of mechanical handling equipment that move material from one location to another location. A conveyor line system will be utilized to maintain the quality of hygiene. With this action taken, the production rate will increase and the number of product will be higher compared to before. Next, we got add the warehouse. This is because by adding warehouse, the production can be run for more time. This is because product can be arranged at the warehouse until full and filled for the second batch production. Then the production flow. For the production flow, we got arranged all the departments through the production. It's mean like the production can be go by the flow and smooth. Next upgrade is dog. Dog can upgrade for 2 dogs. That means like we can do any repairing or keep things in the production area. Next, we will see about benefits. Let us see about the benefit. Based on the process flow shown in technomatic plants, the machines are arranged and time needed in set. For the original version, the production line is able to produce 173 pieces of chicken sausage per hour. The process line is slow and not produce more due to warehouse department is needed. All the activity is being completed by the worker. Then after the upgrade of layout, we are able to produce 230 pieces of chicken sausage per hour. By this, we can increase our production efficiency. And then we also could save our time by using the conveyor, because by using the conveyor, we can fasten our transportation product to another, from a station to another station, and then our production flow will be so efficient. Next, let us see about the conclusion. In a conclusion, the aim of food maker is to provide something healthy and safe. With the appropriate processing method, the deterioration of the food can be delayed. With this, the layout design of facility has become crucial. The layout must be built with careful consideration as it can affect the quality of food and the quality of production. In the design process, product and process development are linked so that can end of the design stage. That is the product with the best features and techniques for making it. With the study done to the original layout, the main problem faced in the arrangement of the process department. The original layout takes a huge amount of travel distance compared for the whole process of making a chicken sausage. Thus, to solve that problem phase, a new plan layout of facility is made with the consideration of the travel distance between all process departments for an interrupting process flow to an interrupt process flow. By this, the process will be go flow, the time of the production will be go smooth. That's all from me. Thank you.